Have you ever dreamed of studying in Germany without worrying about tuition fees or the cost of living? What if I told you that every year thousands of international students receive a fully funded scholarship that covers their monthly expenses, health insurance, travel costs, and much more. The name of that scholarship is DAD. But here's the truth. Many students hear about DAD, yet only a small percentage truly understand how it works. They apply with incomplete information, make avoidable mistakes, and end up facing rejection. That's why I created this complete DAD scholarship masterclass. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know, from what DAD is, who can apply, the different scholarship programs, eligibility requirements, documents, application process, benefits, common mistakes, and practical tips to maximize your chance of success. Whether you are planning to apply for a master, PhD, research program, or another DAD opportunity, this guide is for you. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this masterclass you shall have a clear roadmap for applying confidently. Let's begin. First of all, what is DAD? First of all, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions. Many students think DAD is a university. It is not. DAD's German Academic Exchange Service. It is Germany's largest organization dedicated to supporting international academic exchange. Instead of teaching students, DAD provides scholarship and funding to help talented students and researchers study or conduct research at German universities. For decades, DAD has supported students from around the world and has become one of the most respected scholarship organizations globally. Receiving a DAD scholarship is not only financial support, it is also a recognition of your academic potential. You may be wondering why thousands of students compete for DAD every year. The answer is simple. Germany is home to world-class universities, cutting-edge research, and a strong economy. Most public universities charge little or no tuition fees, and a DAD scholarship helps cover many of your living expenses. Depending on the program, DAD may provide a monthly living allowance, health insurance, accident and liability insurance, travel support, research allowances for eligible programs, German language training in some cases, additional family or rent allowances for certain scholarship holders. This means you can focus on your education instead of worrying about finance. One of the best things about DAD is that it offers opportunity for people at different stages. Now there is a question: who can apply? One of the best things about DAD is that it offers opportunities for people at different stages of their academic journey. You may be eligible if you are a recent graduate, a master applicant, a PhD applicant, a researcher, a university lecturer, an artist or musician applying to specialized program. However, not every scholarship is open to everyone. Each DAD program has its own eligibility criteria, which is why reading the official requirement carefully is one of the most important steps before applying. Now discuss types of DAD scholarship. Many students think DAD is just one scholarship. Actually, DAD manages many different programs. Some of the most important include the EPOS scholarship, designed for professionals with work experience who want to pursue development related master programs, research grant for master graduate and PhD student, PhD scholarship for doctoral candidates, postdoctoral research opportunities, university summer courses, German language programs, scholarship for artists, musicians, and architects. Each program has different requirements, deadline, and benefits. Your first task is to identify the program that match your academic background and career goals. One of the biggest advantage of DAD is the variety of disciplines available. Students receive funding in areas such as engineering, computer science, artificial intelligence, data science, business administration, economics, public health, environmental sciences, agriculture, education, social sciences, law, humanities, arts, architecture, and many other subjects. No matter your academic background, there is a good chance you can find a suitable program. There is another question: do you need German? This is one of the most common questions. The answer is not always. Many masters and PhD programs in Germany are taught entirely in English. If your chosen program is in English, you usually need to provide proof of English proficiency, such as IELTS or TOEFL, depending on the university's requirement. However, some programs are taught in German, which means you shall need an appropriate German language certificate. Always check the language requirements of the specific program before applying. At this point, you should understand what DAAD is and the different scholarship programs it offers. It's time to discuss the most important question: am I eligible for a DAAD scholarship? This is where many applicants make mistakes. They get excited after hearing about a fully funded scholarship and apply without checking whether they actually meet the requirements. Let's make sure that does not happen to you. The first thing you need to understand is that there is no single eligibility criteria for every DAAD scholarship. Every program has its own requirements. However, most DAAD scholarship evaluate applicants based on these factors. First of all, academic qualification. You must have the required academic degree. For example, if you are applying for a master's scholarship, you generally need a bachelor degree. If you are applying for a PhD, you shall normally need a relevant master degree. Your degree should come from a recognized university. The second is academic performance. Many students ask, what CGPA do I need? The truth is that usually does not specify a fixed CGPA. However, because the competition is very strong, having a good academic record greatly improve your chances. Remember, a slightly lower CGPA can sometimes be balanced by excellent research, leadership, work experience, or a compelling motivation letter that looks at your overall profile, not just one number. Third is relevant background. Your previous education should match the program you are applying for. For example, if you are applying for environmental science, your academic or professional background should demonstrate genuine preparation and interest in that field. A clear connection between your past study and your future goal makes your application much stronger. Fourth is work experience. This depends on the scholarship. For many DAAD programs, work experience is optional. However, for the highly popular EPOS, means development related postgraduate courses, applicants are generally expected to have at least 2 years of relevant professional experience after completing their bachelor's degree. This requirement is one reason many otherwise qualified applicants are not eligible for EPOS. Always read the program requirement carefully. Fifth is language requirements. Another common question is, do I need IELTS? The answer depends on the universities and program. If the program is taught in English, you shall usually need proof of English proficiency such as IELTS or TOEFL. If it's taught in German, you shall need the required German language certificate. Some universities may accept other form of English language proof where permitted, but you should never assume this without checking the official admission requirement. Now let's look at the documents you shall usually need. Think of these as the foundation of your application. Every document tells part of your story. The exact list varies by program, but commonly required documents include a valid passport, update CV, academic transcripts, degree certificates, motivation letter, language proficiency certificate, recommendation letters, research proposal for many PhD or research programs, work experience certificates, if required. Any additional documents requested by the university are that. Before submitting your application, create a checklist and verify that every document is complete and correctly formatted. One missing document can lead to rejection before your application is even evaluated. Now, how to build a strong CV. Your CV is much more than a list of qualifications. It is a snapshot of your academic and professional journey. A strong scholarship CV should clearly present your education, relevant work experience, research experience, internship, conferences or publications, volunteer work, leadership activities, awards and achievements, technical and language skills. Keep the layout clean, organized and easy to read. Don't exaggerate your achievements. Scholarship committee appreciate honesty and clarity. Many scholarship experts believe the motivation letter is one of the most important part of your application. This is your opportunity to answer one key question. Why should that invest in you? A strong motivation letter should explain why you choose Germany, why you selected this university, why this specific program matches your goal, what experience have prepared you, your long-term career plans, how will you use your education to contribute to your country or community. Avoid copying templates for the internet. Selection committee read thousands of applications. They can quickly recognize generic responses. Your motivation letter should reflect your own journey, experience and ambitions. Now let's talk about the recommendation letters. Recommendation letters add credibility to your application. They provide an independent assessment of your abilities. Depending on the program, recommendation may come from university professor, academic supervisor, employer, research supervisor. Choose people who know your work well and can provide specific example of your academic ability, professionalism, leadership, or research potential. A personalized recommendation is far more valuable than a generic one. If you are applying for a PhD or research grant, the research proposal becomes one of the most important documents. A strong proposal should include research title, background of the study, research problem, literature review, research question, objective methodology, expected outcomes, timeline, and references. Your proposal should demonstrate that your project is original, relevant, and feasible. Remember, reviewers are looking for a clear research plan, not just an interesting topic. Now your application is starting to take shape. You know the eligibility requirement, the documents you need, and the importance of presenting a strong academic profile. In the next part of this masterclass, we will cover the complete DAD application process step by step and how to search for the right program, how to contact professor when necessary, common reason applicants are rejected, interview preparation and practical strategy that can significantly improve your chance of winning a DAD scholarship. Don't miss it. This is where you shall learn how to turn a strong profile in a successful application. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.